Okay, just wanted to go over something with you guys. This guy dropped off this '03 Jeep Wrangler and told me the speedometer was inaccurate. So initially what I did was I did the power up, hold down the trip, and I tested it for sweep. See if it would sweep. You gotta hold it down until you hear that second beep, and it starts going through its progression of checking lights and checking high beams, the brake, seat belts, check engine, check gauges, check fuel, four-wheel drive, cruise control. Then you get a progression of sweeps at 25, 55, and 75, but it doesn't go all the way to 100. Fuel gauge, you see it sweeping. And then the temperature gauge, see it sweeping. You get full sweeps out of the fuel and the temperature. And you go to 2 and a 5,000 on the RPM. You get 12, 14, and 16 on the amperage. And then you get a little less than half, and then a little less than 3/4 on the oil pressure. Well, I didn't know this as today started out, but that is completely normal for a 03 to 06 Jeep cluster. I didn't know this, thinking I was working on an inaccurate speedometer and it wasn't sweeping fully. I thought we had a problem. Turns out we don't have a problem. And calling the guy back and talking to him, come to find out, it's just been to the transmission shop. And this started after he left the transmission shop. So, putting 2 to 2 together here, you don't have a bad set of gauges, you've got a bad transmission mechanic. Nonetheless, that's the importance of getting a good history before you start working on something, and knowing something inside and out before you start working on it. Fortunately, didn't cost me too much of anything other than time, but I now know these a little bit better. Hope you do too. Hey guys, remember to like and subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell if you want to see the new videos as they post. And share with your friends. Maybe we'll all get smarter learning from each other. Thanks a lot.